Hey guys, it's your girl Jazz and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about my experience when I used L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. If you follow me on Instagram, you would be knowing that my skin was giving me tough time. I was having a lot of breakouts and my face just looked very dull no matter how bright lipstick I applied onto it. But now it has started healing. As you can see here, most of the acne has gone. And you know what? Skin repair is not an overnight task. Your skin takes some time to get replenished and repair and regenerate itself. But the catch is, if you're not using the right kind of products which it requires, you may take more than the usual time to get it repaired and get it, again in that healthy state. Not to mention, I have tried all the kind of desi nuskas. I have tried various serums which tell that this is going to repair your skin. I have also tried those essential oils which promise the same, but I somehow was not getting the kind of result I was expecting to have. And fortunately, I came across this L'Oreal Revitalift. So basically, Crystal Micro Essence penetrates 10 times deeper into your skin as compared to any of your usual serums or moisturizers. Therefore, its qualities are going to help you repair your skin on a faster pace. And not only it repairs your skin, it helps you regenerate it, put some radiance out there, help you with that pores and all these blemishes around your skin. And why? Because it is all science-based. The first ingredient they have used to formulate is the salicylic acid. I'm sure if you are a huge fan of skincare products, or if you have researched something on skin peeling, chemical peeling, you would be knowing that salicylic acid is one of the major ingredients used, especially if you have open pores or you have acne problem. So most of your anti-acne creams or gels have salicylic acid in it. If you're going for a chemical peel off, salicylic acid is one of the major ingredients they use. So what basically this acid does to your skin, it is very gentle for your skin. It gets onto the top layer of your skin, which is the dead part of your skin. It gently exfoliates that and helps you have a better clear plump skin, and also helps in the regeneration process of your skin. And the fact is that it is widely used as one of the major anti-aging ingredients in those creams and serums. The next interesting element they have added to it is HEP. Now, HEP is an acronym of hydroxyl ethyl piperazine ethane sulfonic acid. Basically, it helps you get rid of the dead skin and accelerates the skin renewal process. And guess what? It has one of the majorly used skincare ingredient which has an Ayurvedic value for skincare since 17th century, which is Centella Asiatica. Now, what is Centella Asiatica? It is a herb which is found in damp areas, have pretty round leaves and petite flowers. And one of the name it is famous with is Gotu Kola. It is a super anti-aging component in this because it has amino acids, beta carotene, phytochemicals. It improves the blood circulation in your skin and also improves the elasticity alongside, as it is responsible for the synthesis of collagen and skin tissues. And I'm sure you know that collagen is absolutely essential to have this taut and tight skin which feels young and plump, wrinkles free and line free. This herb also helps you strengthen your skin tissues. So all in all, this product is going to help you in skin renewal, taking care of the spots you have on your skin, taking care of the uneven skin tone, taking care of the lines or wrinkles which you might be developing. Also, it is going to help you fight acne and is going to provide you radiance, because if the blood circulation improves in your skin glows from within. I have been using it for a very short span, not more than 7 days. Therefore, I have received some, I would say, 20% benefit of it as of now, but if I'm going to use it for a regular of at least 60 to 90 days, I could see and feel the complete transformation in my skin. Enough of what science it has, and let's just see how it looks. It comes in a very sturdy packaging, for which images I will paste somewhere here or here, but I would want you to see how beautiful and classy this bottle is. I'm not a fan of the serums which come in plastic containers because I am not a very plastic fan, and when we are on the verge of discarding plastic for saving our planet, such kind of thing has my heart. And here is the set of instructions of how and when you should be using, which says that you can use it in day and night both, and you just need to pour 3 to 4 drops of this solution and apply it on your face. If you have dry skin texture or oily skin texture, this is perfect for both because it's not sticky, it has such watery consistency, and it gets absorbed so very quick in your skin as if it was part of your skin. Let me share how I have been using it. I have been using it first time in the morning when I wash my face. I pat it on my face like this, and then I apply my sunscreen and I'm ready to go. And before I sleep, I wash my face with a mild cleanser to take off all the dirt and dust accumulated on my skin throughout the day, and then I pat a little bit of amount on my skin again, and I'm sorted. In India, especially when the summer gets really hot and humid, your skin needs some nutrients, but if you apply some moisturizer, you feel very sticky and very uneasy. So this Revitalift Micro Essence is going to help you out. Indeed, is going to be your summer's best buddy, as it penetrates 10 layers deep into your skin, and having ingredients which have such scientific amazing qualities, you have to have it with you. Do you know that your skin is the largest part of your body, and your skin is the reflection of how healthy you are within? I'm sure you know by now that my skin is the most sensitive kind of skin and gets easily irritated, gets acne very soon. So if this product suits me, this should be with you. So here it is, your scientific magic potion, L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Micro Essence. I am speaking out of my experience, and therefore you can see that excitement on my face, how good it has worked for me. But I would like you to try it out for yourself. We all must take care of our skin because we are worth it. It comes in 3 packaging. 22 ml is worth rupees 250, 65 ml is worth rupees 779, and 130 ml is worth rupees 1400. I will put the link in the description box so that you can go ahead and get yourself this amazing micro essence. Have the kind of skin you really wanted. This is it for this video, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button and the bell icon ताकि मेरे आने की आवाज मेरे आते ही आपके दिल तक आ जाए. I'll see you again next time. Till then, bye.